Hello, naturists! Today, we're diving into the incredible health benefits of turmeric, also known as yellow ginger, saffron root, or Indian saffron in some parts of the world. It's been used for centuries in cooking and traditional medicine, particularly in the Caribbean culture. Growing up, my grandmother used to say it could cure anything. Now, I'm not saying it's a miracle cure, but modern science is backing up many of its traditional uses. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which is responsible for its vibrant yellow color and a host of health benefits. So if you're looking for a natural way to improve your health and well-being, turmeric is definitely worth adding to your diet. Let's get started. Turmeric is renowned for its ability to fight inflammation. Inflammation helps your body heal and fight infection. Chronic inflammation can lead to heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Curcumin, turmeric's active compound, blocks proteins that trigger inflammation. Think of it as a natural fire extinguisher, calming inflammation. Studies show turmeric can be as effective as ibuprofen for osteoarthritis. Curcumin supplements significantly reduce inflammation markers. Incorporating turmeric into your diet could provide relief from inflammation. Now, let's talk about antioxidants. You've probably heard this buzzword before, but what exactly are antioxidants, and why are they so important? Imagine your cells constantly under attack from free radicals. These are unstable molecules that can damage your cells and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer and heart disease. Antioxidants are like the body's natural defense system against these harmful free radicals. They neutralize these damaging molecules, protecting your cells and keeping you healthy. Turmeric is packed with antioxidants, particularly curcumin. In fact, curcumin is such a potent antioxidant that it's even been shown to boost the activity of your body's own antioxidant enzymes, giving your natural defenses an extra boost. Studies have shown that curcumin can protect against oxidative stress, which is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. This protective effect has been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Want to keep your mind sharp as a tack? Turmeric might be able to help with that too. Curcumin crosses the blood-brain barrier, benefiting the brain. It increases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. BDNF helps brain cells survive and grow. Low BDNF is linked to depression and Alzheimer's. Curcumin improves memory and cognitive function. Consider turmeric for natural brain support. Add it to your diet or talk to your doctor. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, but the good news is that there are many things you can do to protect your heart health, and incorporating turmeric into your diet might be one of them. Turmeric benefits your heart in several ways. First, its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the arteries, which is a major contributor to heart disease. Second, turmeric can help improve endothelial function. The endothelium is the thin layer of cells that lines your blood vessels, and it plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure and blood clotting. Third, turmeric has been shown to lower LDL, or bad cholesterol, and triglyceride levels, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Studies have shown that curcumin can improve heart function in people with heart failure. It's also been shown to reduce chest pain in people with angina, a condition where the heart muscle doesn't get enough oxygen. If you suffer from arthritis, you know how debilitating the pain and stiffness can be. Turmeric has long been used in traditional medicine to relieve joint pain. It's a potent anti-inflammatory agent, beneficial for osteoarthritis. Studies show turmeric can be as effective as NSAIDs in reducing pain and stiffness. Turmeric may also help with rheumatoid arthritis by reducing inflammation. Depression is a complex mood disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. While conventional antidepressants can be effective for some people, they often come with unwanted side effects. This has led to an increasing interest in natural remedies for depression, and turmeric is emerging as a promising option. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to have antidepressant effects in several studies. It's thought to work by modulating brain neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play a key role in mood regulation. Additionally, curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties may also contribute to its antidepressant effects. Chronic inflammation has been linked to depression, and by reducing inflammation throughout the body, curcumin may help improve mood and alleviate depressive symptoms. While more research is needed to fully understand the role of turmeric in treating depression, the existing evidence suggests that it may be a valuable natural therapy for those seeking relief from this debilitating condition. Who doesn't want to live a longer, healthier life? While there's no magic fountain of youth, research suggests that turmeric might hold some anti-aging secrets. As we've discussed, turmeric is a powerhouse of antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This damage, known as oxidative stress, is a major contributor to aging and age-related diseases. By neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress, turmeric may help slow down the aging process and protect against chronic diseases that become more common as we age, such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. But turmeric's anti-aging benefits go beyond its antioxidant properties. Curcumin has also been shown to activate certain proteins called sirtuins, which are involved in regulating cell health and longevity. A healthy gut is essential for overall health and well-being. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Turmeric has long been used in traditional medicine to support digestive health, and modern science is starting to uncover the reasons behind its gut-healing properties. Turmeric can help soothe digestive discomfort by reducing inflammation in the gut. This is particularly beneficial for people with inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Additionally, turmeric may help improve digestion by increasing the production of bile, a digestive fluid produced by the liver that helps break down fats. Furthermore, turmeric's antimicrobial properties may help balance the gut microbiome by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria while promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Your liver is your body's primary detoxification organ, working tirelessly to filter toxins from your blood and keep your body running smoothly. Given the heavy workload it handles daily, it's no surprise that your liver can benefit from a little extra support, and turmeric might be just what the doctor ordered. Turmeric contains powerful antioxidants that can help protect your liver from damage caused by toxins, free radicals, and oxidative stress. Curcumin in particular has been shown to have hepatoprotective effects, meaning it helps protect the liver from damage. Studies have shown that curcumin can help protect against liver damage caused by alcohol, drugs, and environmental toxins. It may also help improve liver function in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a condition in which fat builds up in the liver. Want to achieve that healthy, radiant glow? Look no further than turmeric. This golden spice has been used for centuries in skincare for its remarkable ability to improve complexion and address a variety of skin concerns. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a powerful ally in fighting acne. Curcumin can help reduce inflammation associated with acne, while its antimicrobial properties can help fight the bacteria that contribute to breakouts. Furthermore, turmeric can help fade hyperpigmentation, those pesky dark spots left behind by acne scars or sun damage. Curcumin inhibits the production of melanin, the pigment that gives skin its color, helping to even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Additionally, turmeric's antioxidant properties can help protect your skin from environmental damage caused by free radicals and UV radiation, which can accelerate aging and contribute to wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot about the amazing health benefits of turmeric. From boosting brain function to enhancing skin health, this golden spice truly is a nutritional powerhouse. Remember, while turmeric is generally safe for consumption, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before adding any new supplements to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Stay healthy and happy.